another question. Repeat again. Is there anybody in this room who are scared and telling themselves, I don't want to recruit? Raise your hand. So everybody now wanting to build their business and wanting to recruit. Agree, guys? Yes. So the reason why I'm asking because I will be talking to you about bubble chart, which is the product of your recruiting. Because when you have the feeling of it's scary to recruit, I don't want to recruit, but if you look at yourself working in the corporate world, somebody recruited you to be in that company, right?
Yes.
Because the military recruit, the Girl Scout recruit, and everybody recruit. So let's talk about your recruiting because you will have the bubble chart. Okay, guys? Any question? Because I forgot to introduce myself. And I'm excited to have you here today because it's exciting to tell about my own story. My own story, I don't have a college degree. I came from a very poor family in the Philippines, so I have Filipinos in the room.
Whoa!
Okay. And I landed in this country, and thank God for being here. This country adopted me, so I promised myself I will never be in a position where I will be dependent on the government. Okay, because of the life that I have in this company, I have the chance to have the freedom. Okay? I want you to understand that freedom is not making $1 million. Freedom is waking up in this beautiful country, Canada, that you don't have to submit yourself to a boss. And you are not supposed to be the slave. You don't have to worry about money and bills. And you don't have to worry about the time. It's freedom. I have the chance to experience the freedom. And most of all, you have the chance not only to touch people's lives, but to change their family and legacy to the next generation to come. I'm very proud to have my team here. Of course, Ricky, please stand up. Ricky and Johnny. They are the good looking team, and they are the product of the bubble chart. Okay, that's why you have to understand the bubble chart. So, when I landed in this business, I had a dream. And I decided to work as a caregiver. And after the program, my dream is to become a banker. Why banker? I don't know why. But in my country, the Philippines, when you look at the teller in the bank, I look at him as, wow, I want to be like these people. So dream do come true. After my program for 2 years, I landed my job in one of the major banks in Canada, the CIBC. I was there for a decade, and I climbed to a ladder and I have a good position in CIBC. But at the same time, I love to cook. My passion is cooking. So I put my passion in cooking to open a Filipino store, Filipino restaurant, and I was very blessed to open an immigration consulting firm. So, prior to WFT, I was a banker. I have my Filipino store, my Filipino restaurant, and my immigration consulting firm that I was not supposed to be recruited by my recruiter. My recruiter said to me, and to herself, Melinda will never be interested in this business. I don't want to recruit her. See? She prejudged me. So I will always say don't prejudge people. But I was the one who recruited myself. Okay, because when I was asking her, what do? You have a business, baby? Then no. Go to the kitchen, cook, because I want to be here for dinner. But I decided something is happening because she asked my husband, that's my husband, can you please copy this video because I need it. When I look at the video, it says in the video, one of the multi-millionaires in the company today, John Pham, we'll have a chance to meet him in Las Vegas. In the video it says, if you keep the same job that you're doing today, where are you in 5 years? Will it give you the dream home? Will it give you the vacation you always wanted? If the answer is no, give yourself a chance to see what we can do for you. That moment, my brain was spinning. I said to myself, where I am in 5 years in CIBC. And I came to her face, do you have a business? She said, no, to a cook. But in my heart, something was there. I decided to come aboard in the business learning, but I was never thinking of money. I just came aboard in the business. I love the environment. I love the excitement. Can you feel the energy in this room?
Yes.
Yes. I just love the excitement, the energy, and I just love the shop. Okay? When I enter the business, after I get out of work, I need to do prospecting, and people say to me, Melinda, you look so sharp. You must be making a lot of money. I don't have license because it's conflict of interest. And the response is, you just don't know how much I make. Because I cannot tell them that I'm not making money. Alright, let's welcome our executives, Vice President Chairman, Elizabeth Sintasate! Come on in. Yes.
Can I sit down, listen to you first?
Come on in. Come in. We want you to be here, my dear.
Yes.
Come. Okay, I don't want to waste our dear time. Our executive vice president, a multi-millionaire, I wanted to come first because her time is very crucial. And thank you for coming here because your time is very important for us. Come here.
Excuse me,
I have your consent. Excellent.
just finish your training.
Yes,
This is the
thank
spot,
you,
don't
thank
worry.
you.
Okay, so let's talk about bubble time. Okay, what is your bubble time? Every well-built house began with a vision in a blueprint, okay? And you, okay guys, let's talk about recruiting. You, and you will be recruiting A, and you will be recruiting B, C, and you will have 3 recruits under you, G1, G2, G3, and this is you, and you get the first promotion. Are you excited to have the first promotion, guys? By the way, promote yourself. In corporate world, the company promotes you. In us, you promote yourself. Okay, darling? So, what a bubble chart? You can have multiple bubble chart with prospecting, licensing, field training, building, attending workshop, and registered in big event. So this issue, unlimited recruiting, and you will have the chance to build deep or build wide. Deep is security. If I recruited you and I built 3 people under you or 1 person, will never fit. But wide, you can have wide also, which is, who can help me? when you recruit wide, it means profitability. You will have a profit. You will have a lot of money when you do direct. But it is important to have that for them because you will have the chance to, when you have that dip, nobody will win. Alright? So, why is it that in WFT the magic number is 10? Recruit 10 direct, and your security will be there. And you will have the chance to find yourself independent foundation. By the way, Hubert Humphrey, the founder of the company, said, recruit 60 wide, 100% you become a CEO. But today, you can be a CEO with the GX, 10 depth, okay? You chose. Deep or wide is okay, which the bubble chart most likely requires a trainer's involvement, okay? Trainers will walk you through, okay? You just figure out, you will have the chance to be wide or to be deep, okay? Now, a recruit is not a label. I remember when I started the business, when you have 4 deep, you will be awarded big time, and everybody will be so excited because you have 4 recruits down, okay? Now, deep, 4 deep becomes an empty leg, 8 deep becomes an empty leg. The fastest way to retain someone is to go with wide into deep. Your choice, because this is run by the system runs your business. What do I do now? Work with your trainer to build the business through your bubble chart. I was talking to somebody last night in Alberta. He said, Melinda, what do I do? I said to her, you recruit 3, and recruit 4 deep, and you will be an SMD. Right? So easy. The business will be run by the system. Most will go only people who have already joined. So put your bubble chart in there, and you will have a chance to build your business, okay? It's a lot of circle. So the more circle you will have, the more money you will have, and the more promotion you will have, the more helping family you will have. You will see this side every day. And you will be excited, guys. I wake up every day. I remember one of the senior marketing director, Juliet T. said, my son said to me, is Tita Melinda excited even in sleep? Can you feel the energy and excited? I'm excited, okay? Don't stop there. When you are a new recruit, when you sign up, you tell your trainer, I want to be promoted. I want my promotion now. And then the question is how? I'll show you how. You hold your hand, they will hold your hand and go through the process and get your promotion file. I remember when we started business, Jan, we can recruit 10 people in a day. Amazing, huh? If you want it, if you want something, you try it. Okay, it's good that our SABC is here. I remember that was 2015 in Las Vegas convention. 30,000 people was there. And it was very hot in Las Vegas. I was wearing a dress, like the Hawaiian dress. And all of a sudden, everybody's excited in Hawaii, in Las Vegas. And the MC was saying, Melinda Insurance, Melinda Insurance. And my team said, Melinda, that's your name. And I look at, oh my God, it's my name. I become #2 recruiter all over US and Canada. Okay? So you can be a recruiter, just master this, ask questions, get this document from your trainer, and you can be promoted SMD. Right? Don't ask questions, just do it. Okay? You will be Nike. Nike, just do it. If people ask questions is a waste of time. Today, the Jake, Swan said, don't worry about everything. Just get into Jake and get to the top. Just do it. Right? Don't be a millionaire, just get into the Jake. Right? What is Jake's one? Ask your leaders. I want to do a Jake's one. If you are sitting down here today and you are wondering what is Jake, talk to your SMD. What is Jake? And just do it, okay? And we'll see you at the time. So, everybody is reading it by themselves. Because I don't have the time, I'm so excited for our SEBC to be talking to you guys. There's some more time in here. Right? Follow up with many people many times in many ways. I was shocked when Swan came here. Swan is our top leader. He already produced 76 millionaires in US and Canada. And he said, follow up, follow up, follow up. How many follow up you think you will do? Who knows? 80 follow up. I said, oh my God, I'm very guilty. I just scrolled 5 times and I said to myself, okay, don't worry about it. Right? 80 follow up. Because you don't give up on people, because you will have a chance to have one little explosion. Are you excited?
Yes!
You have to be excited, okay?
Yes.
And every person that will come over in the business, you will have all of those. Just follow the system, and the system will run your business. If you ask questions, during those times when we started, we asked questions. Today, just do it. Is that exciting? We can spend a business for it. You don't have to think, you don't have to do anything. Just do it, okay? But don't forget to pass your license. Pass your license, because no license, no money. No license, no honey. Okay, that's why my honey is there, because I'm licensed. By the way, I'm just so excited because my honey passed his license at age 70 years old. And today he's 70 years old. Young looking guy. Good looking too, right? I remember I said to my husband, honey, I don't want you to work for anybody, because when you come home, you have stress, it goes to me. I will make sure that I wanna get you out, boy. your job. I just do it. And one day I said to my honey, look at my income. Can you get out of your GOV? And that was almost 30 years ago. We travel a lot. We are always together. And I'm very proud to tell you everybody's excited, invited to my retirement home in the Philippines, in a beautiful place wherein celebrities are my neighbors. So we build celebrities in the Philippines. I'm inviting you there because I want to share my blessings to you guys. Are you guys excited to be in the Philippines? Yes. That is my place, and he enjoys so much, right?
Oh, yeah.
And my team in Mississauga too. That's why I'm inviting our EBC to be in my retirement home. By the way, she is my neighbor nearby in the Philippines. Okay? Are you excited to have bubble chart?
Yes.
How many bubble chart do you want to have?
Andres.
Okay? Now, do you know the name of your people in the bubble chart? You have to know them, right? I love the business because if I have you with you, I adapt you in my life. It's amazing. You come to the business, you will be my family. This office is family. We love each other. There's so much love in life. Alright? Because some of us have some family here. It's so sad in this country. You guys come here in this Canada, did you feel sadness when you come here?
Yes.
If you tell me no, liar. I love this business because you can have a family, you can have fun, you travel the world, you help a lot of people, but most of all, you make money. Right? Money is a simple thing. That's what all you do money. Anybody want to have your own charity? Yes, I love that. When you have the dream to have your own charity, that's the best gift to you when you come to WFT. Because when people say, I want to have a charity, but you yourself is a charity. Right? But I want to come here and get your own charity, okay? Now, what activity do they have? So you have to monitor your team, what they're doing. Because they are your family, they are your kids, right? When your kids play around, what happens? It's important for you. If you don't know them, you can build them. So, I love this business because one member will say, knee cap to knee cap, eyeball to eyeball. Okay? Swan said, I love the technology, but sitting down with that team member, knee cap to knee cap, and eyeball to eyeball, you can make them feel that you are a family. Make them feel that I love you. Can you feel that I love you guys?
Yes.
There's so much love in the community. Right? Let's talk about WFT, it's the financial services, it's the money industry, and when it comes to money, it means numbers, right? Okay, let's talk about large number. You start with 10. Can you recruit? Anybody wanted to recruit 10 direct to themselves?
Yes.
Can you raise your hand?
Yes.
Get to 10. Not 3, 10. Because when you get to 10, 9 feet, you get 1. Expected people come and go. By the way, I love this business because many are told that we are chosen. You recruit somebody if they are not chosen to be a part of the mission, if they don't have the heart to help people, they will be out of the way. So be very proud, be very loving in the mission, because if you stay in the business, you will have so much love. Love that when you start the person, when you sit on the person in front of the person, you have to feel this way. I am the person who can walk you through, and I know I can change your life. This company deliver us, and I want you to be delivered too, right? Okay, how many numbers you want? You are in charge. Can you imagine how many people under you? Okay, let's talk about you are one recruit explosion. You recruit a person, and that person explodes. Our model is our SEBC, Lizzie Tosate. She was recruited in the business. I watched her recruited in the business. I even saw her in the elevator. Hey, you are upline. I don't see you because she was in the other company. And today I'm very proud to tell you guys, she became an inspiration in the whole Canada. She has touched a lot of people's lives in our founder in Canada, which has already retired. Just one Lizzie Tasate. She exploded her business all over Canada and US. In today, she has produced millionaires under her organization, and you don't really know that you are the next millionaire in the company. Are you excited to become a millionaire?
Yes.
God will see you, but help yourself before God will help you, right? Just that, don't just watch, just do it and execute, right? Okay, one recruit equals infinity. You are always one recruit from 100%. Meaning, can you read it, guys? You just be excited, right? Can you read it? Because I want the EBC speak to you now, okay? I'm so excited that she is here. You cannot see her, by the way, just
You're
see.
always one foot away from explosion.
You cannot even yes, because she has a lot of team. Okay, are you okay with this?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody who is signing up in WT, tell your recruiter, I want that green system builder. Right? I want it. Okay? Ask. I want it, I need it, because that is our secret. Okay? Now, let's talk about all the bubble chart. This is the bubble chart of our top leader and earner of the company, Swan Nguyen. She's a Vietnamese.
Just click it, there's a video in there.
Okay, where is the video? Can you help that?
This
Now
way.
we are going to learn how we are all one recruit away from explosion, using head coach as an example. When coach started, there was a fellow social worker that he wanted to prospect. Luckily, he ran into her at a nail shop with her husband and got their phone number. He followed up and did a drop-by stop by, and her husband, HV, joined. Then HV hosted a birthday party at his home, and coach helped HV recruit AD. AD was a kung fu master teaching martial arts after work. So when he joined, he recruited one of his fellow instructors, HS. HS's full-time job was an engineer. So he recruited a fellow engineer named LN. LN has many legs, one of them being Tom Liu from Southern California, who has CEOs like Yvonne Tran from El Paso, Han Lu, Min Ta, and Tim Tran. Back in Vietnam, LN was a pilot, so he recruited one of his co-pilots, SL. SL went with coach to recruit his nephew-in-law, TL. When TL joined, his English was really limited. It took him 3 years to even pass his license. But he believed in the business so much that he did fast start and building, even though he couldn't financially benefit at first. Going through his share list, SL and coach helped TL recruit, and recruit. Before getting his license, TL already had multiple CEOs under him, like Virginia Nesesia. So guess what? When TL finally passed his license after 3 years, his first year income was $500,000. As you can see, LN is a recruiter. He got another leg, which is his neighbor, AT. AT knew a gift shop owner, P, who crossed paths with a karaoke machine salesman, Alec Chan. Alec and coach worked very closely together. All of their success came from doing home VPNs and group presentations. Alec was able to recruit SC, who recruited a clerk of a title company, Penny Oy. Penny Oy has multiple CEO legs like Nan Sat, Lisa Octavia, Helen Marwan, Yvonne May, Nita Dalal, Ting Chu, and many others. Then, Alec recruited another team member who sold PCs, and his initials are PC. PC recruited E, I, LK, and TW, who recruited her life insurance agent, Judith Shao. JH's hierarchy spans from the west with Kevin Lee, Victor Liao, Zhang Shi, Maple Lu, and Ben Young, to the Midwest with Jack Yang, all the way to the east with teams in New York like Tiffany Key and Chloe Sue, and up north in Canada with Mark Nguyen and Hong Mai. HV is doing well, right? Of course, he has more legs too. He recruited a friend named DT, and when running for his promotion, DT forgot his jacket at a client's house. When DT returned the next morning, the husband opened the door. The husband is a night cook, and that's why he wasn't home the night before. DT said, I forgot my jacket here last night. The husband asked, what were you doing with my wife last night? DT replied, I'm glad you asked. And CR joined. That is the story of Cheeto Rojas, who has Boba Peralta, Chris Pacifico, Eric Collette, Mitch Pepelina, Vivian Olero, Julius Reyes, Victor Salvador, Chris Facundo, Mia Rosal, and newly promoted CEOs Rebecca Escobar and Zenny Villanueva. The purple bubbles indicate those that are not CEOs themselves, but they have a CEO in their team. This leg alone has brought Coach over 50 CEOs and more than $30 million earners. There are many more bubbles of other CEOs, SMDs, MDs, etc., but we couldn't fit it all on one slide. The story doesn't end here. Unfortunately, HV did not have a long-term vision and ended up quitting before the CEOs and millionaires came. So did AD and HS. Ellen stayed a little bit longer, and when he became SMD, Coach took TL as a replacement leg. But unfortunately, LN eventually quit too. So SL became direct to coach. AT quit, E quit, and that's how Alan Chan became direct to coach. When Alan became SMD, SC became replacement. And here are the others that quit out of this bubble chart. Many people quit too early. But why did Coach quit? Is it because he is a psychic or a fortune teller? No, he is a fast start trainer. He builds relationships and works with everyone, regardless of where they are on the bubble chart, even until today. This is the story of just one of Coach's CEO legs. Coach has a total of 14 CEO legs. So now, let's have the local instructor show you Coach's current bubble chart.
Done? Are you guys excited?
Yes.
To make $1 million, right? Did you see the bubble chart? Meaning you have to put it in your heart, in your mind, that you're in the business of building your business and recruiting people to come aboard with you, become a part of your team, become a part of the crusade of financial literacy, and at the same time, a mission. No family left behind, because you can't yourself, your family left behind. Right? Okay? This is one, our top leader of the company, in the author of the system. Repetition meaning repeat, and be excited. Enthusiasm is, are you guys excited?
Yes.
Excellent, you have energy. Okay, you can read the part, because Bruce Lee is the champion. In Swan is our champion, alright? Okay,
All
let's
right,
go
thank you
about
very much. So,
our recognition.
the next part of our training is we will be calling those people who done their job, who work hard, and because of their work hard, we have been talking a lot of GX, right? So the meaning of GX is this person recruited 3 campaigners under them, and they work outside of the field, helping families, and they're able to have a points of at least 15,000 points. So this is a hard job work for them. So let's start recognizing them. So let's call those who the GX1 qualifiers. Oh, no, huh? Come on. Listen, please come at the front. Miss Lee Elizabeth Sitazane. Alright, thank you very much. So may I call on Mr. Danny to introduce Tita Ann. Please stay to introduce guests today.
My pleasure. From the beginning of WG. Imagine? Okay, but anyway, we're going to read this. In the term of relentlessness, focus and passionate all in one. The reason why my retirement is grounded in WFG, my senior executive vice chairman, Les Setasate.
Alright, thank you, Ate. Oh wow, with only one person who's JX3 here?
Yes.
You think I'm in the right? I just want to make sure that I have to say it nicely. You think I'm in the right building?
Is she doing
Or office?
slide?
But anyway,